here in Peru, when you gotta take a piss, they charge you to use the bathroom. So I snuck back here to the back behind the restaurant, take a piss in the sand. That's how you do things for free.
Shit. I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot.
Alright, so the trip was pretty cool. Saw some penguins, saw some sea lions, saw some of those animals that look like penguins, those birds that look like penguins. I don't remember what they're called right now. You can Google search and figure it out. So, probably gonna grab something to eat, then head to the beach. Look around and see what we're gonna eat. Probably some seafood, I'm guessing. Let's see, got my hand in front. So what are you trying to eat? What do you think?
I don't think we can eat right now, but I was thinking mixto, which it has like rice with some fish and then some shrimp, a lot of food from the ocean, and then ceviche, and then chicharrón.
Some ceviche. I'm feeling some ceviche. Also, probably some octopus. I had to think about what it is in English. What do you think about octopus?
Yeah.
Octopus is a hella good. If you guys haven't tried it.
Oh, what about some crab?
It doesn't taste like you think it does.
I can't wait to eat some crab.
Oh, there's places there, but I don't know if we're gonna stop around here. We might drive around somewhere else.
We can ask.
Little
We can ask.
boats. Oh, somebody has the same name as me. When you're in Latin America, a lot of people have the same name as me.
They have menus for 18. That's cheaper.
Yeah, the ceviche.
Okay, you know.
See, she said it wasn't that expensive around here, so.
En la sal, ¿no? Como pueden observar, hay un paisaje muy similar, un paisaje a la luna. Muchos lo comparan con ese paisaje. Del día.
This beach is called Playa Roja. It has red sand. As you can see, this is sand that comes from volcanic rock. And basically, Paracas, the place, what it means is sandstorm. So, you guys can see, it's, I believe, the only beach in Peru that has red sand. Alright, so we're getting some ceviche. Basically, this is raw fish, right? It's basically cooked with lemon, so it's basically just raw fish, and we have some.
Technically, it's not raw fish.
So how would you explain it, coming from a Peruvian?
It is actually cooked, but it's cooked with the acid of the lemon and the salt, the combination of both. So it's not raw. Unlike sushi, for example, sushi is raw, but this is not raw. It's a different way to cook, of cooking it, but it's not raw.
Okay, cool. Now we have some sweet potato, some sweet potato fries. I mean, not fries, chips.
No, I think I'm pretty sure this is plantain.
Oh, okay. And yuca. And we have some arroz con mariscos, rice with whatever mariscos is in English, sea creatures, whatever. So I'm not sure how to translate that. Everybody has Google, you can do it for free. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. See, there are some cheaper places to eat at that other beach, but they got us with the tourist trap. They told us we wouldn't have time to eat, but we actually did have time to eat. Now we're here, and the tourist place is a little bit more expensive, but there's only like 3 options, so we pretty much have no option. But we went with the best option we could find. All right, I know you guys want the flavor test. It's pretty good. See right here. I don't know what these things are in English. Sorry.
Food for the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
You can literally
Yeah, it's good.
eat everything from the ocean. Like almost everything.
Little shrimp in here. Alright, so I got a free shot of pisco sour with the dish. It's pretty good. Pisco is something that comes from Peru, but Chileans would say otherwise, so there's a bit of a conflict there.
Pisco is Peruvian.
So here in Peru, when you gotta take a piss, they charge you to use the bathroom. So I snuck back here to the back behind the restaurant, take a piss in the sand. That's how you do things for free.